morning, everybody, and happy Labor Day. I had this idea that I wanted to do. People all of a sudden were asking me for some red earrings. I don't work a lot of red. So I figured, let's try to jazz up some red earrings, okay? So I got myself some white Kato clay. It could be any kind of brand, it doesn't matter. And then some cherry Fimo, and I mixed in a little bit of the Primo Accents with it. The one that's got kind of like the glitter in it, but I didn't want it to be too glittery. So this I rolled out on a 5, and this is, I think, a 3. So what I got here is I got a Sculpey silk screen, and we're going to put it on here. And I got some Mars black acrylic paint. And we're gonna rub it across. And as soon as you get done doing this, you want to put your silk screen back into the water. You don't want it to get all crusty. All right, let's see what we got here. Oh yeah. Ooh, God. Yes. Look at that nice sharp design. Love it. All right, so I'm gonna go put my stuff in some water, and then we're gonna go move on. But you're gonna need to do 2 of these, so I'm gonna do another one off camera and let the paint dry, and then we'll come back. Okay, so I did 2 of these, and I think they're dry. But what we're going to do is take our red, and I'm going to texturize it. You know me. Love texturizing. Makes it look cool. So I've got this material. I wish I knew what to call it. It's like a netting, but it's not tulle. It's soft. I'm going to put it down on there, rub it in. Roll over it a little bit to get a nice imprint. Over it one more time. You didn't get as much imprint as you wanted. Okay, so here's my thought, and I hope it works out. What I want to do, I'll lift this clay up. I'm going to take this clay and I'm going to tear it. Right down the middle, like this. And I'm going to take my 2 like that. Now, I'm thinking that these might be cut out in a rectangle, maybe would be better. Let's see. Like that. Or the teardrop. I'm going to go with the rectangle. Cutting out two. And what I want to do is kind of recut this one. There we go. I like it. Pretty cool. So what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to put red on the back, and then we'll take and we'll make our two I'm not sure. Making a few of these because I'm not sure what size I want to use. Or, even better, you know what? I've got one of these left over. Let's make this. Yeah, yeah, yeah. That's it. That's it. Okay, so I'm going to put them on the back. Red on the back. A bit of texture. I think these are going to be super cute. Okay, So let's put red on the back of these. And we're going to put these in the oven, 275 for an hour. And then we'll be back. Okay, so we got our earrings out of the oven, and I sanded them, and they look pretty good. So what I want to do is I want to trim these edges up in black, and I'm going to use Prismacolor black marker. Don't use a Sharpie, it'll turn purple. So, learn by experience. We're just going to trim this up in black. Another hot day here in Florida. And there we go, like that. So I'm going to finish doing these, and then I'll be back. Alright, so I trimmed them all out with the black, and I think they look really nice. Really kind of finishes them off. That black trim like that. So what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to put resin in here in the valleys, and that'll make it really pop and shine. And then I'm going to keep the red part in a satin. So let's do that. Sure that I don't have any bubbles in there. Actually, I should be having these on my tape thing. Making sure all the areas get covered. And if you get some on the outside, you want to try to wipe it off, even though that's going to be a matte finish on it, but I don't want the UV resin on it. Now, let's do the top part. You hear a racket going on outside, that's because the trash man is coming by. Even though it's a holiday. I guess not for them. I'm going to get done with this and then I'm going to go to our pool. Community I live in has a pool. Thing is though, the pool is like bath water. Alright, we're going to put these under the UV light for probably like 20 minutes. Okay, so I took them out of the UV lamp. Finished them off around the sides with the findings on them. The only thing I need to do now is put the posts on the back. I think they came out pretty nice. I think in the next time I will be able to, I mean, this was just a first attempt. This is how you learn new ways and things to do. But you could, I mean, you could do different colors. You could do print on the outsides, texture and the inside. I mean, it's just like endless, the things you could do. So I'm going to finish off with still shots with close-ups like I always do, and I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something. Please like, subscribe, comment, ring the bell, and we'll see you next time. Catch my Facebook shop, Handcrafted by Marlette, and it'll take you right to my Etsy store. See you next time.